omwanya kuza kurangirwa nka Rom Society nkiba nkimanyisa gw'omugasho gw'amaana ha rurengo rw'ensi yona kandi ekindi kikorwa mu mateka gatirwa haba United Nations Education Scientific and Cultural Organization ningashi UNESCO omwaka gwa 1991
kandi kitwabane cha Uganda abo twire turayamba igi process
okurugira eikiriziibwe arahangura kuri kitongore cy'eby'obuhangwe cyane cya Uganda kandi yebembire huru yo gukora ikintu eki hariho amagoba mingi omwanya gwarangirwa nka Rom Society
ekisigire ni government kwandika baruha omurukiko rw'ensi yona yarabagambira ngo itwe nk'ihanga twagira ngo enyanja ya Bunyonyi hamwe n'ekisharira cya Kiyanja muri rwengo bibe Rom Society ninga bimenywe omunsi yona
twashaka ngo enyanja yitu twaba tuji protectingire twine byinji ebituragikubaho icyo kubanza turatunga amizi agara tuyamba mu maka gitu harimo eby'enyanja turatungamo icyo kurya nangwa n'izindi projects nkezo butare amashanyarazi na n'izindi factories zakwija munuya zazishangiraho ekinyanja zijyaganyirwa mu munonga n'umuntu waburijo aganyirirwamo
omurukiko nrwo rumwe government z'ebyanga zishabirwe kongera sente mu kurinda eby'obuhangwa emyanya nkeegi yabiriye yo kutunguka kurungi.
If NEMA is not given financing, if wetlands management department is not given finances, if local government is not given finances in the environment sector, you cannot protect these areas.
It's the role of the local governments, on behalf of government, to ensure that those Ramsar sites are fully protected. But the problem we have, when it comes to the budget, to the natural resources within the local governments, it's really appalling. You can find that, let's say in Masaka, you might find that section or department is just allocated 4 million in a financial year. That is absolutely, it has no meaning.
Enyanja ya Bunyonyi ne yakabiri umuringo mu Afrika yona kandi nekera kureta barambuza omwanya gwa kigeze buri mwaka kushamarira uburungi bwayo. Amakuru agagasha ka Job namanya.